In this video, we'll deploy Ghost on Cuemby Cloud. We'll start by configuring the Ghost image and instance, selecting the resources the service will use within Cuemby Cloud. We set up the necessary passwords for the system to run. Configure the public IP address and create backups. We'll then launch the deployment, and the platform will handle the provisioning to get the environment ready. Ghost is an open-source platform designed for publishing content, managing blogs, news layers, and membership sites from a single tool. It's geared towards teams and creators who need a modern publishing experience with editing, subscriptions, and integrated emails. Finally, we'll verify that Ghost is available and ready to start publishing content simply and centrally. With Cuemby Cloud, we can have a ready-to-publish solution with a clear infrastructure, well-defined connectivity, and more secure operation.